Good morning. First off, thank you for signing up for the Ivy Tech Walks Around the World Challenge. This quick video is just to get you familiar with how the spreadsheet works and how you're going to input your steps. So Monday you'll get another email with a link to the spreadsheet on it, and you'll just need to click on that, and I'll ask you to open or save. You can just open it, and what that'll do is open up an Excel spreadsheet, which is this sheet right here. And then once that's opened up, you're going to come over here, you're going to find your name on this list. And for this Monday coming up, you'll type in everything you did from Wednesday to Sunday. So let's say, for example, I had 30,000 steps. Put in 30,000, hit enter, and you can see now that my total is recorded and the Ivy Tech total is also updated. Okay, as each of you type in your steps, you'll notice this number will continue to go up. If you want to check out our milestones, you click on the milestone tab down here, and you can see that with my steps, we're 0.7% of the way to LA, 0.2% of the way to Tokyo, and so forth. So as you populate that, these things will fill out, and that'll be kind of cool. Once you put your data in, just make sure you go up here and hit the save button, and that'll save it to the J drive, and that'll be updated. So every time someone comes in here and saves that, it'll update the sheet. So then just close it out, and then next week you'll get this same link. Click on it, open, and now it should be updated with my steps here. Okay, so next week I'd go in, maybe I did 50,000. Okay, then we save it, close out of it. Next week you'll get another email, open it, and update it again. Okay, so just make sure that you're typing in your own row, and if your name is spelled wrong, please go ahead and fix that, because I know a couple of them that might not be right. So that is how we're going to fill this out. So thank you guys for joining, and it should be a lot of fun.